always fight for our rights. Solidarity for
Solidarity forever.
As our colleague was recently brutalized in a police station in Lagos here. So we are protesting against such incidents, and we also want to warn against the occurrence of such incidents in future. That is why we are marching today.
The part of the slogan or the song being sung here is bail is free. Why is that?
Bail is free because in spite of the fact that the inscription bail is free is boldly written in all police stations, we have information to the effect that bail is still, money is collected, bail is sold, and that is why lawyers are saying no to payment for bail.
Police are supposed to be seen as a friend of the public, of the people.
But we have been assured today by the Commissioner of Police, Mr. Fakwade, that the police, that the police will remain our friends. So we want to see that in action. They want a full investigation of the incident station, and happily the Commissioner of Police announced today that a high-power investigation is already ongoing. He also indicated that lawyers should be prepared to be members of the committee, since the police have nothing to hide. So after the report, we are also taking certain steps, or beside the report, the NBA is filing an action, to protect the human rights of our colleagues. And to make a point that if anything of that nature happens to any lawyer again, the Nigerian Bar Association will take it up.
And when it's not direct.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
We shall always fight for our rights.
Nobody can say no when lawyers say yes. Nobody can say no when lawyers say yes.
Nobody can say no.
When lawyers say yes, nobody can say no.
Nobody say yes. Nobody can say no.
When lawyers say yes,
Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our rights. Solidarity forever. Solidarity. Marcha, marcha. Marcha, marcha.
no more police brutality. No more police brutality. Police will allow us to do our work. No more police brutality. Raise your voice. Raise your voice. No more police brutality. No liars and respect. No more police brutality. Bail is free. No more police brutality. What is the rest of lawyers?
Police brutality, we not go green.
End police brutality.
Police brutality. Police brutality, we not go green. For inside New Year, we not go green. Police brutality, we not go green.
We just enter Oh yeah.
Police brutality, we not go green. Police brutality, we not go green.
go gree. Police brutality, we no go gree. We no go gree. We no go gree. Police brutality, we no go gree.
We no go gree, oh, we no go gree. Army brutality, we no go gree. Okay, you want to take us together? Oh yeah, let them take. Then you don't send it. Thank you. I'll give you Pepsi.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.